Among the negative traits of the soul is when one allows their anger to control them, thereby committing sins. A Muslim should remember that acting and speaking in anger only leads to worldly regret and punishment in the hereafter. One should change body positions and make themselves more inactive in order to control their actions when angered, such as sitting down. This has been advised in a narration found in Sunan Abu Dawood, number 4782. In order to control their speech, one should simply be silent until their anger passes from them. This has been advised in Imam Bukhari's Adab al-Mufrad, number 245. Words spoken in anger often cause more lasting damage than physical actions. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.